Today we will see about dictionary in Python. In Python, a dictionary is an unordered collection of items with each item consisting of key value pairs separated by a colon. You can create dictionary by enclosing comma separated key value pairs within curly braces. Let's take an example. Let's say we have any dictionary named D is equal to, so inside that curly braces we will pass first thing we will have to give a label. In other Python we say it as key. Let's say we have any key name, and after that colon we will pass value for that key. So let's say we have any name John. So here what we have done, that first thing we have passed a key, that is our name, and after that colon we have passed John, which is value for that key. So we can pass as many key value pairs as we want. Let's say we have to add another key age and its value 25. Notice that we have add here string as a key, and here uh, value also string, but here we use string as key, but we give its value in numbers. So no matter or key and value is in is any data type, but make sure that that data type must be immutable, that cannot be changed. We can use numbers and string as well as tuple as a key, but we can't use list as a key because list is mutable, we can change it value. So any data type which value is mutable, we can change it. We can't use it as key for our dictionary. So make sure we must have to use uh, key with data type that is immutable, such as string, numbers, or even tuples. So here is basic structures we can create a dictionary in Python. Let's print it out. So you see it just give us dictionary as it is, uh, as we have initialized it here. Let's print the type of that D by using type function. So by using type function, it's giving us class dict showing that that the type of that D variable is dictionary, and in that dictionary contain key value pairs. But that's not the only way to create a dictionary. There's also a dict function for creating dictionary, and you can also use syntax variation within that function. Here are some example. Let's say we have any dictionary name uh, person is equal to, so we will use dict function, dict, and inside that brackets we will pass our dictionary. Same in same style as we have discussed, just discussed as a key value pair. Just first thing we have to pass a key, let's say same name, and after colon we will pass its value, say John. And next thing, add a new key value pair, same age, and after that colon we will pass its value for age, let's say 23. And we can do same thing if we pass a list to that function. It will automatically convert it to that list of tuples to a dictionary. So let's say we have a new dictionary person 2, and again inside that dict function we will pass a list, and that list will contain a tuples, uh, different tuples. So first tuple we will pass name, and second one will be its value, same John, and a new tuple, same age, and its value 25. So both these, so by using that dict function we can pass, we can use that traditional dictionary method uh, as it is, and we can also pass a list. That list contain our tuples, and that tuple contain two elements. So dict function will automatically take that first element as a key and second as a value. So here age is a key and 25 is a value. So let print that person 2. So you can see it's automatically convert that first element inside that tuple as a key and second element as a value for that our keys. So that's how we can use dict function to create a dictionary. uh, there are few important things to remember when creating dictionary in Python. A dictionary don't support duplicate key. Each key should be unique. You can't add two keys with so we cannot use two name keys. So if we have used name here, we can't use it again. If we do so, it will. So let's try it out. So if we have new tuple, we will use name, and we will give a new name as a Smith. Now what will it will return? So it's giving us a updated value for that our key. It's ignored that first key and it uses the last updated value for that key. So if we try to make that key duplicate, so it's take the updated value for that key, it's ignore the first one. So you have to make sure that you have, if you have not to use duplicate keys. If you do this, Python will use the last one and ignore the first value. Next thing, we have also see earlier that dictionary key must be immutable. That is, key must be of data type that can't be changed. So you can't use string numbers. Sorry, you can use string numbers or even tuples as dictionary keys, but you can't use list or other as dictionaries. So any data type which is immutable, you can use it as a dictionary key, but anything which is mutable, which can be changed, so that cannot be used as a dictionary key. So and third and last thing, we have to learn about dictionary uh, is that dictionary values don't have the above restriction. Though that these dictionary don't have the above restrictions means that values for that dictionary mean there is restriction for key that we can also use immutable data types, but for values you can use any data type that can be number, string, list or tuples, any data type that is used in Python. So these are few steps we have to take up here, care about dictionary in Python. Next thing, we will see that how we can add a list and tuple as a value for our key inside that dictionary. Let's say we have any uh, dictionary name food is equal to, so inside that curly braces we will first give a key, so give a key fruit, and after that colon we will pass a values for that key. So we will give a list as a value, and that list will contain different fruits, mango, apple, and we can add one more, let's say peach. So we have created a dictionary name food, and we use fruit as a key, and that key contain a list of different fruits. So similarly we can also use tuple as a value, just convert that list to tuple. So we can use list as a value, here we use tuple as a value. So we see that how we can use a list as a value for key and tuple as a value for key for our dictionary. Next, we will see how to assess the value in dictionary. So there are two ways to assess the values in dictionary: the square bracket notation and the get function. With both methods, you assess an item by referring to its key. This is slightly different to assessing item within a list or tuple, where you assess an item by referring to its index. The key can be enclosed in square bracket or passed as an argument to get function. Let's have a look by writing some example. If we have any dictionary. uh, Same dictionary as we have used earlier. Person is equal to key name, and after that colon a value John, and next key value pair such as age and its value 25. Now how I can assess now sorry, just change it to colon. N- Now how can we get the uh, age of that person? uh, just age. So we will print a dictionary, and inside that square bracket we will pass a key uh, for that whose value we want to assess. In case of list we use uh, index as a key. Put index here, but here we have to use key in case of dictionary. So just put a key whose value you want to assess. So in case we want to assess age, so it's give us 25. That key has a value 25. If we give name as a key, it's giving us John. That John is value for our key passed inside that square brackets. So that's how we can use uh, uh, how we can assess by passing key directly to inside that square bracket. We can do same stuff by using get method. Let's say print and dictionary name person dot get, and inside that get we will pass a key similarly here. So let's say we will pass a key name here. So it's giving us John for first method and second John for second method. Let's change it to age. So these are two ways we can assess any value for from dictionary by using key inside that square bracket, and by using get method and passing our key to that get method, and it will return a value for that key. Next, we will see how to update a dictionary. Dictionaries are immutable, so that means you can update items within a dictionary. You can update the dictionary by referring to items key. If the key exists, it will update its value to a new value. If the key does not exist, it will create a new key value pair. Let's take an example as just change uh, that aged from 25 to 26. So let's print before changing, and let's update. So how we can update that age from 25 to 26? So simply by same way as we have assess use key to assess our value. So inside that square bracket we pass age, and it is returned as 25. So uh, same way as we assess, we will use same way to update our key. So this will give us key, and now after equal to we will give it a new value. So let's say new value to 30. So now print after updating that key. So now check it out. So you will see that before updating we have age is equal age 25, and after updating we have age 30. So that's how we can change values for certain key. So by using equal and that square bracket and a key and passing that key inside square bracket, we can update uh, value. We can also add a new item after we have initialized our dictionary. Let's say we want to add a new key value pair. So how we can do? So we will just simply uh, give a new key name. Let's say height, and its value 5.6. So print person. So it have added our new key value pair at the end of that dictionary. So that's how we can add a new key value pair inside already initialized uh, dictionary. We will see how we can delete a dictionary item. We have also used and see del keyword while we are learning how to delete an item from list. We will also use same del keyword to uh, delete dictionary item as well. Let's say we want to delete that age. So how we can delete? So just write del keyword, and after that we will use same methodology that inside that square bracket we will pass the key we want to delete, so that will delete both key and value from that dictionary. So after deleting this, let print that person dictionary. So when we test it, you can see it's without that age, as we have deleted that person age by using del keyword. So by using del keyword, we can delete any key value pair from our dictionary. Today, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.